Oh, hello again. It's Christmas. We have the shiny gold one, yellow, square and brown, rectangle and brown. I wonder what it could be, yeah. It's an iPhone. Yeah, when it came out, I couldn't help myself. Hold on, audio check. Yeah, it was like I expected. The audio from my old AirPods Pro 1, anyway, they're a couple years old. Not that good. We're back to DJI. I'm dying to know what's in this little square box, and let's rip her open. Thank you, Kershaw, for making a great knife. Make a small incision. Make another small incision. And then slowly cut away. Oh. It could be a ring. It's a... Oh. I know what that is. You know what? This is not mine. My apologies. This is not mine. So we can't open this. And I'm going to have to blur out whatever you just saw. Likewise for the gold one, this is not mine. However, these two are. I want to feel like, I think it's something poetic. This is the Poetic Spartan iPhone 17 Pro MagSafe Ring Black and Clear. Designed in the USA, made in China. So we just gotta look that. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Get then the thing and then the. Okay. Digging it. Gonna be rocking the cosmic orange. And then this just pops out like so. And then this. Oh, okay. That's just part of the design. We will test the magnet part of it, and then just slide in. That's pretty easy, right? And again, that is the Spartan iPhone 17 Pro MagSafe Ring Black Clear by Poetic. They've been very good to me, and that's why I continue to collaborate with them. Next, we have another yellow package. Make a small incision. Ooh, did they send me stickers? Nope. I would love to. Ooh. Yeah! This is the Polar Loop. I thought this was another smartphone case. That was a pleasant surprise. Ooh. Okay, let's just kind of... Oh, no. We're going to need the Kershaw again. Another small incision. Very small. Oh. It smells like black licorice. That is so... No, it doesn't smell like black licorice. Oh, okay. So we have an armband thingy here. That's kind of... Okay. An extra strap. And here we have the Polar. What do you think? That's legit looking, right? Gonna have to stop wearing one of these. I wonder if this will fit around my ankle. And here we have the charger. And good days start here. And there's a QR code on the back. It helps me track 24/7 activity, sleep and recovery measurement, automatic training detection, and long battery life. You know, it's a nice design. Without even setting it up, I'm going to take off Garmin here. And because, I mean, this is so last year, right? The Enduro 3. And let's see how... I'm digging the color. Almost like a purple brown. I'll take it outside in a hot minute. Oh, I see. So this is the small medium band, and then it has a nice large band depending on your wrist circumference. And now you're thinking, man, Peter Beller tell us Yeah, Pietro better tell us how big his wrists are. My left wrist is right just under 7 inches in circumference. Okay. Dig in the copper look. There might be another official color definition, and if there is, I'll put that on the thing. But other than that, that is it. Oh, nope, nope, nope. There is, oops. There is something else in the box. Pamphlets. Do they include stickers for $200? The Polar Loop starting guide. You know, I'm just gonna read the PDF and probably just recycle those. I like how it came with 2 bands. I don't remember paying extra for that, so that's nice. I kind of like it. Distraction-free workouts. Not a lot of jiggling, although I don't get a lot of jiggling with the Nomad. So if you really want to go all out techie, this is the way, right? This is the way. You get a smartwatch on one wrist, and then you get a smart band, a smart fitness band, like the Whoop, or this bad boy, which I'll be comparing it because I never tried the Whoop, the Amazfit Helio Band. Oh, let's compare them side by side. They're close. They both have wicked accurate heart rate. They both track sleep. They both track auto activities. They're about the same, yo. Interesting. Well, guess what my left wrist is going to be doing tonight? Tracking these. Okay. I like the little charger thing. Unfortunately, I'm filming on the phone that it's connected to. So now what we need to do is unbox the iPhone. So we're going to do that right now. We're going to get out the Kershaw, and then we're going to unbox. What? I just had you. There we go. Careful, Malakwa. Careful. Oh, it has a little thingy. Ready? So I didn't intend this to be a mass unboxing. Ah! Oh, so pretty. Yay! I'm so happy. Merry Christmas to me. All right. So Merry Christmas and Happy Hanukkah, Happy New Year, Happy Halloween. This is the last thing I'm buying for myself this year. We have the iPhone 17 Pro. I mean, when Cosmic Orange came out, I did not have a choice. I mean, take my money, Apple. Look, there's the little orange logo. I'm loving it. Loving it, loving it. Okay, quiet on set. Lovely. And lovely. That's pretty. That's beautiful. Oh, it's cold. It's cold to the touch. Oh, I hope the microphone picked that up. That was, come on. Come. Hello? Hello? Yes. Yeah, I just unboxed you. No, I feel fine. How do you feel cold? You feel about 60 degrees. My initial thoughts are, I like it a lot. Is there no SIM card ejector tray anymore? I guess not. There's the extra button. Wow, it has 5 buttons now? Is this what I've been missing out since 2 years ago? And now it turns on. Oh. It's time to run. There's the front look. And the reason I upgraded is because my camera on the iPhone 16 Pro, of which I'm filming, has been problematic at best. So the initial start screen, oh, that's nice. Swipe to open. We're going to choose English, United States, more country. Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah. Do I want medium? Do I want large? Just default. Setting up appearance, choosing the icons. Yeah, default. Choose how you would like the icons to look. Default. Set up without another device. Looking for nearby devices, and it's going to try to connect to my phone. So I'm going to have to say goodbye for now. But it's not goodbye forever. It's see you later. Okay, new audio check using the DJI microphone. Does that sound better?